Good afternoon, world. Welcome back to Angel Me Bisaya-American channel. So today's video, I'm gonna show you how to cook sapin-sapin. Mga ingredients ko: glutinous rice flour, sweetened condensed milk, 1 can. Tapos coconut milk, 1 can. Tapos yung food coloring, i-divide ko sila ng dalawa. Yung kulay ay yellow at saka purple. So yung purple ko, gagawin ko yung blue tsaka red. Ihahalo ko siya para magiging purple. So ayan na. Nakamix na dito yung 1 cup powdered glutinous rice and 1 can coconut milk and 1 can condensed milk and 1 cup sugar. So i-mix ko siya well. Ayan, may dalawang mixture na ako. So this one, I'm gonna put a yellow coloring. Gonna drop some. That's yellow coloring. Mix well. Kasi halo ng mabuti para magiging yellow siya. Tapos sa isang mixtures na to, magiging purple ito siya. So ito yung food coloring red. Tsaka yung food coloring na blue. So i-mix ko siya ng mabuti para magiging purple siya. Ayan. Yung mixture na ito, guys, i-steam ko siya. Yung unang i-steam ko, dalawang color lang ang ilalagay ko. Yung unang i-steam ko, ito yung yellow. Ayan, nagpakulo na ako ng water. Tapos yung first layer ko, yellow. Nasa mold na siya. So I have to steam this for 35 minutes. And check after 15 minutes. Yan ang steamer ko. So ilalagay ko siya sa dalawang hilera. Yan ang first steam ko. Tapos yung pangalawang steam ko. Ayan. Ayan. Steam yan for 35 minutes and check after a while. Okay, I need to check if this is already firm so that I can add the second layer. It looks done. And we'll check the other one. Looks done. So I will add the next layer. This is the purple layer. One layer there. And second layer. So I have to steam this another 35 minutes and check if it is firm. There you go. Check muna natin kung luto na siya. Kuha kayo ng toothpick, tapos ipupok ninyo dito. Ayan, pag ano na siya, luto, makikita mo dito sa toothpick na clean na siya. Yung second layer ko guys, nag-add ako ng 5 more minutes. Instead of 35 minutes, naging 40 minutes kasi kailangan lutuin ng maigi kasi makapal siya. So ayan, luto na yung sapin-sapin ko. So palamigin ko na to, tapos kinabukasan pwede ko na tong kainin. Bye for now. Until next.